Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. It's DC Technical here and today we are gonna back with the new video upon custom ROM for our Xiaomi 11T Pro. It's not a GSI. Till date, all the videos I have made for this phone is based on GSI because there was not any totally fully working TWRP available, not even custom ROMs are not even stable. But now we are here with reams of custom ROMs. We got lots of custom ROMs available like Pixel OS, Aero, Cherish and Superior OS. But today in this video I have used Superior OS as it's based on AOSP and have lots and lots of customization features. So before starting the video, I would like you all, if you like the content of this video, do consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel and share it with your friends. You never know whom you're gonna help. So let's just get started. So here we have our Xiaomi 11T Pro. Such a nice, good looking phone it is. 108 megapixel camera with 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 5 megapixel telephoto macro. 3 noise cancellation microphones and the dual speaker setup. Here we have the fingerprint scanner and for me it totally works fine. Now let's just switch it on and increase the brightness for you all to full. Okay, so here this phone I use it at my primary device, so I have all the apps installed like WhatsApp, browser, Google, Facebook, everything. I have decreased the ambience lighting of this particular room so that I can show you what's there in the phone. So here's the phone. You can see I have put this Windows wallpaper because I like this logo. Now let's start with our features. What all features this phone have? This particular software, that is Superior OS, we get a setting named Superior Lab. When we go to this setting, there are lots of customization available. Let's see, for status bar, you can turn on your network traffic indicator like in the status bar. That's 0 you can see. Okay. Status bar items, what you want to show, what you don't want to show, everything you can check here. Even if you want, let's see for time. Here's the time. You can even choose this minute second option and you will start getting the seconds also in the time menu. See the status bar? You can see the seconds also. So lots and lots of customizations available. It was for status bar items. You can even want to show VoLTE icon, voice over Wi-Fi icon. You can check that. Like for example, I have a 3G SIM right now, so there is no point of turning it on. You can check this option to show the 4G icon. As you see that modern phones and AOSP based ROMs show LTE instead of 4G, but you can choose this option to show 4G. Battery styles, different battery styles like icon portrait. Let me zoom in for you. Icon portrait, and this is circle, then circle dotted, big circle, circle filled. I like text because text is easier to understand in any way. So here we are for status bar, quick settings, quick setting panel which you get by swiping down, and there are the buttons, the below buttons. You can even choose the playback control, like when your phone is in turn off mode and music is playing, you can put your finger on the volume up button to change the song to next and volume down button to change the song to previous. And here navigation bar, you can choose different navigation bar options, 2 buttons, 3 buttons, anything you want. You can, in the navigation bar option, you can choose all that, and in the buttons option, there's that playback control. Then you go to gestures, Here are the gestures. You can use quickly open camera, one hand mode, lift phone to check. Like if you just put the phone in your hand and it will glow. Prevent ringing, like just put your phone like this and it will stop ringing. Power button, digital assistant from power button, like if I put on digital assistant and pressing power button will unlock my Google, but I want my power menu. So lots and lots of customizations available, even the theming is available. For example, like I have chosen Samsung font of almost every ROM available, like Samsung, you can see OnePlus, LG, Harmony, Google's, even in Comic Sans, like it will change your font into comic styles, like see this in comic styles. You can choose anyone you want. I like Samsung ones, so I choose Samsung. Icon packs, like I have choose default, KaiOS, Samsung, Victor, Oxygen OS, anything you want. So here are lots of customization. Even the navigation bar, you can see how much 10 options to choose from. So lots and lots of customization in this phone. Even you can choose the notification, like when you call someone, you want it to vibrate when it connects, you want it to vibrate when it's waiting, and you want to vibrate if it's disconnected. Everything is there. So these are some of your settings which are available in this particular ROM, other than the normal settings which you get, like app settings, notifications, battery, normal battery settings, and even you can check your battery temperature here in this ROM. So I'm not talking about battery usage and charging speeds in this video, because battery usage, what I have seen even in GSIs or even in the custom ROMs, if I'm not using any games, that I'm getting around 7 hour 15 minutes to somewhere around 7 hour 25 minutes of battery backup in each and every ROM. There's no change. And regarding charging, then we are all using the same vendor for charging, so charging speed is also the same, like 120 watts, 119 watts per hour. Now I would like to talk about how to flash this ROM. As you have seen all the features available in the ROM, how to flash this one. Simply, first of all, you need to unlock your bootloader. Without bootloader unlocked, you can't do any such thing in your phone, like flashing ROMs, etc. So you need an unlocked bootloader, the latest TWRP recovery, the ROM zip, whatever ROM you want, Superior, Aero, Cherish, whatever you want, you need to get that zip, and you need to have some basic knowledge of how to flash. So just go on YouTube, search some videos how to use TWRP, if just in case you don't have idea what the TWRP is. And if you are wondering from where you get all these things to download, I will be linking a Telegram group in the description box below, where you can see each and every thing, like your firmware which you have to download. If you are on MIUI, then you don't need to download any firmware. Simply just unlock the bootloader, flash the TWRP recovery, flash the ROM, format the data, and you're good to go. And by formatting the data, I mean that you will lose every file you have in your phone. So just make a backup before starting flashing. What are the steps? Very first step is unlock the bootloader. Second step, boot into your fast boot mode. Then go and flash your TWRP. How to flash your TWRP? You can ask anyone in the group, or just tag me at the Red DC Technical in that particular group. I'm linking in the description box below. Ask me there, I will tell you there. Okay, and there are instructions available, so there's no problem. You can check the group, everyone there will help you. Flash TWRP, flash the ROM, go to data, format it. Do remember, while flashing the ROM, there will be an option available of reflash the TWRP recovery. Just tick that option, otherwise your recovery will be lost. So just flash the TWRP, flash the ROM, tick that option of reflashing the TWRP recovery, format the data in your wipe section, and reboot, and you're good to go. That ROM will be yours. So here I am, this is technical logging off. I will be linking that particular group in the description. Do check for it and do watch the full video, like each and every step before flashing the ROM, so that you don't stuck into boot loop or dead devices. Anyways, I will be available in that group. You can tag me or anyone you want. All the instructions are there, so no need of worry. Just flash this ROM and enjoy. So here's this is technical logging off. Jai Hind.